Welcome to Andrea's house. This new home tour is dedicated to all those who want a relaxing space with their favorite color, light blue. I hope it is inspiring and you enjoy below. The combination of cottage style with touches of light blue creates an elegant look because the light blue color is often associated with serenity, tranquility, and sophistication. It adds a soft, calming touch to the overall design, making the space feel more refined and luxurious. At the same time, incorporating elements of rustic style, such as natural wood finishes, vintage decor, and distressed or weathered materials, brings a sense of coziness, warmth, and charm to the space. These rustic elements contrast beautifully with the light blue color palette, creating a harmonious balance of elegance and simplicity. Additionally, the juxtaposition of elegant and rustic elements in a cottage-style space adds depth and character, making the design more interesting and unique. The combination of different styles creates a visually appealing and inviting atmosphere that is both sophisticated and down-to-earth. Blue is believed to have a calming effect on our minds and bodies. It is often associated with tranquility, peace, and relaxation. By adding blue accents to your decor, you can create a soothing atmosphere that promotes relaxation and helps reduce stress. Blue can help to lower blood pressure and slow the heart rate, making it a great choice for areas where you want to unwind and de-stress, such as bedrooms, living rooms, or meditation spaces. Additionally, blue is a versatile color that can be paired with a variety of different styles and aesthetics, making it easy to incorporate into your existing decor. The dining room with a runner on the blue fabric table may be considered a focal point because it draws attention and visually anchors the space. The vibrant color of the table runner contrasts with the rest of the room, making it stand out and capturing the eye of anyone entering the room. Additionally, the table serves as a central piece of furniture in the dining room, where people gather and socialize, making it a natural focal point. The combination of the unique color and prominent location of the table runner helps to create a visually appealing and inviting focal point in the room. white cottage kitchen can highlight wooden accessories because the white backdrop creates a clean and neutral canvas that allows the warmth and beauty of the wooden accessories to stand out. The contrast between the white walls and cabinetry and the natural wood tones creates a visually pleasing and rustic aesthetic. Additionally, the simplicity of the white color scheme allows the intricate details and grain patterns of the wood to be the focal point in the kitchen, adding character and charm to the space. In the bedroom, a paneled wall painted in light blue may be the focal point in the cottage bedroom for several reasons. The light blue color of the paneled wall stands out against the rest of the room's decor, drawing the eye towards it and creating a focal point. Also, adds depth and texture to the wall, making it visually interesting, balance the symmetry, and enhancing its importance in the bedroom. Remember, including panels on the wall acts as a statement piece in the room, adding character and personality to the space. In summary, the light blue color is calming and soothing, making it a welcoming focal point in the bedroom where relaxation is key.